We'll guide you through how to download the Gmail app for Windows. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Microsoft Store website. In the search bar at the top, type Gmail and press Enter. Look for the official Gmail app by Google LLC, as this is the one you want to install. Once you find it, click on the app to go to its page. You should see an Install button if it's available for your device. Click on Install and the app will start downloading. You might be prompted to sign in to your Microsoft account if you're not already. Make sure your Windows device is up to date, as some apps require the latest version of Windows to run smoothly. After the installation is complete, you can find the Gmail app in your Start menu or on your desktop, depending on your settings. Click on the app to open it. You'll need to sign in with your Google account, so have your username and password ready. If you use two-step verification, keep your phone handy for the authentication code. Once logged in, you can access your emails, just like on your browser. The app is designed to work seamlessly with Windows, so you can enjoy notifications and other features. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.